Sri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class.
Exercise 3.4 continuation. Sum number 11. Prove that sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree equal to cos 45 degree. We have to prove. Now I am going to take the left hand side question. What is the left hand side question? Sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree. Here 105 degree I am going to split sin of 60 plus 45 degree plus cos of 105 also I am going to take cos of 60 plus 45 degree. Now it is in the form of sin of a plus b. We know that formula sin of a plus b equal to sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, which is equal to then sin of 60 degree then cos of 45 degree plus cos of 60 degree into sin of 45 degree. Now next one, it is in the form of cos of a plus b. We know that cos of a plus b formula, cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b plus cos of 60 degree then cos of 45 degree minus sin of 60 degree then cos of 45 degree. We know the values of sin 60, cos 45 everything. Sin 60 that is equal to for root 3 by 2. Then cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, then cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Here root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. Here plus minus will cancel. Now both denominators are equal. 2 root 2. You can add the numerator directly. 1 plus 1 2. Now I am going to cancel 2 2. This is equal to for 1 by root 2. This 1 by root 2 that is equal to for cos 45 degree. So what is the right hand side? Right hand side equal to cos 45 degree. So left hand side is equal to cos 45 degree, right hand side is equal to cos 45. Hence proof. Question number 13. Show that tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree equal to 4. We have to prove tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree equal to 4. Now I am going to take the left hand side question. So what the left hand side question is given? Tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. First I am going to take tan 75 only. Tan 75 degree. Tan 75 can be written as tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now it is in the form of tan of a plus b. We know that formula tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Instead of A place is 45 degree, B place is 30 degree. So, tan 45 plus tan 30 is divided by 1 minus tan 45 then tan 30 degree. Tan 45 values is 1. Then tan 30 values is 1 by root 3 is divided by 1 minus tan 45 value is 1. 1 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So next step I am going to take the LCM. So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 is divided by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Is both denominator will cancel. Answer root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is for tan of 75 degree equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. But next one, cot 75 degree. Cot 75 degree. Cot 75 that is equal to what is the reciprocal of tan. Therefore, tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree we got the answers. So, 1 by square root of root 3 plus 1 by square root of root 3 minus 1. It will become reciprocal. So, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But question they ask tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. We have to add that one. Tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. Tan 75 is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 plus cot 75 degree is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So we have to take the LCM and cross multiply. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. We'll take the cross multiply. Root 3 plus 1 the whole square plus root 3 minus 1 the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. We know that formula a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1 plus 2ab 2 root 3. Now it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So root 3 square is 3. 1 square is 1. So minus 2 root 3 is divided by, in denominator it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. Here plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 3 will cancel. Here if you are adding that one, 4 plus 4 8. 8 3 minus 1 2. If I cancel I get 4. What is the right hand side is given? Right hand side also 4. Now left hand side after simplification I got 4. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Sum number 14. Prove that cos of a plus b into cos c minus cos of b plus c into cos a equal to sin of b into sin of c minus a. Now I am going to take the left hand side question. What is the left hand side question? Cos of a plus b into cos c minus cos of b plus c into cos a. So now it is in the form of cos of a plus b. We know that formula cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into cos c minus, here is also it is in the form of cos of a plus b. So cos a, here a place is b and b place is c. Cos b then cos c minus sin b into sin c. Then after that bracket cos a is there. Here I am going to multiply cos c in each term. So cos a cos b then cos c minus sin a sin b then cos c. Here I am going to cos a multiply each term. So minus cos a cos b cos c minus of minus plus plus cos a sin b then sin c. Here minus term plus term will cancel. So remaining minus sin a sin B cos C plus cos A sin B then sin C. Now I am going to arrange the order. I am going to take plus term first. So cos A sin B into sin C minus sin A sin B cos C. In both terms, sin B is common. So now I am taking outside. We will take sin B outside. So remaining sin C cos A minus here cos C sin A. Now it is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that is equal to for sin of A minus B. So sin B into sin of A place is C minus B place is A. So what is the right hand side is given? Right hand side equal to sin B into sin of C minus A. So left hand side, right hand side both are equal. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Sum number 15. Prove that sin of n plus 1 theta into sin of n minus 1 theta plus cos of n plus 1 theta cos of n minus 1 theta equal to cos 2 theta. N belongs is integers. So I'm going to take the left hand side quotient. So the left hand side quotient, sin of n plus 1 theta into sin of n minus 1 in theta plus cos of n plus 1 theta then cos of n minus 1 theta. Now instead of angle A place is n plus 1 theta, then angle B place is n minus 1 in theta. Here is also A, this is also B. A. So now sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We know that formula sin A sin B plus cos A cos B equal to cos of A minus B. So here A place is n plus 1 in theta and B place is n minus 1 in theta. So that is equal to for cos of A minus B, n plus 1 into theta minus n minus 1 into theta. Next, cos of, now I take theta inside, n in theta, n theta plus theta minus n theta minus of minus plus 1. Minus n theta plus n theta, here theta will cancel. Therefore, cos of theta plus theta 2 theta. What the right hand side question is given? Right hand side equal to cos 2 theta. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence, prove. Question number 17. Prove that here 4 subdivisions are given. First subdivision, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B. We have to prove. First subdivision, I am going to take the left hand side quotient. So what the left hand side quotient? Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. We know that formula sin of A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Next one, sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B formula also we know. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next step, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So we know that formula a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to for a square minus b square. Instead of a places sin a cos b, then b places cos a sin b. So sin a then cos b the whole square, a square, that is minus b places cos a sin b, cos a sin b the whole square. Next you take the square separately, sin square a, then cos square b, minus cos square a, then sin square b. Here we know that identity cos square theta, that is equal to for 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here instead of theta places b is there. So sin square a into 1 minus sin square b. Next one minus, here what is that one? Cos square a. Here I am going to write 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Next sin square take inside, so sin square a minus sin square a sin square b. Then again minus sin square b, minus into minus plus sin square a into sin square b. Here plus sin square a minus sin square b both are cancelled. So remaining sin square a minus sin square b. Now I got right hand side answer. Therefore RHS is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Second subdivision, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b equal to cos square b minus sin square a. We have to prove. Now I am going to take the left hand side quotient. So at the left hand side quotient, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. We know that formula cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next one, cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus formula also we know that one. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now it is in the form of a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. This is a, this is b. Here is also a, here is also b. A minus b, a plus b. So cos a cos b the whole square, a square minus b places sin a into sin b the whole square. Next you take the square inside, therefore cos square a then cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. Here I am going to apply the identity. Cos square a, cos square theta, that is equal to for 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square b here. Then minus sin square theta, that is equal to for 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square a here. Then sin square b. Next you take the cos square inside. So cos square a minus cos square a into sin square b. Then again minus sin square b, minus of minus plus cos square a into sin square b. Here plus term minus term will cancel. Therefore cos square a minus sin square b. This one proved. Next one we have to prove cos square b minus sin square 2a. Same thing. Here I am going to take, this is 1. So from 1, what is that one? Cos square a then cos square b minus sine square A into sine square B. Here I am going to apply the identity cos square A 1 minus sine square A into cos square B. Then minus here sine square A. Here cos sine square theta I am going to apply 1 minus cos square theta. Theta place is B. So 1 minus cos square B. Next you take cos square B inside. Therefore cos square B minus sine square A then cos square B minus sine square A minus of minus plus then sine square A cos square B. Here is also plus term minus term will cancel. Then cos square B minus sine square A. So next one also we prove. Third subdivision sine square A plus B minus sine square A minus B equal to sine 2A sine 2B we have to prove. Now I am going to take the left hand side question. So at the left hand side question sine square A plus B then minus sine square A minus B. So we know the formula sine square A minus sine square B equal to sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. Here instead of angle A places A plus B is there, then angle B places A minus B is there. So I am going to apply the identity here. Sine A square minus sine B square that is equal to for sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. A minus the next one sine of here minus B plus B will cancel 2A. Then here sine of A plus B minus A plus B. Here minus A plus A will cancel. Therefore, sine of 2A into sine of 2B. So, what is the right hand side is given? Right hand side equal to sine of 2A then sine of 2B. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence, proof. Fourth subdivision cos 8 theta cos 2 theta equal to cos square 5 theta minus sin square 3 theta. We have to prove this one. Now I am going to take right hand side question now. What is the right hand side question? Cos square 5 theta minus sin square 3 theta. We know that formula cos square B minus sin square A that is equal to for cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Here instead of A place is 5 theta and B place is 3 theta. That is equal to for cos of A plus that is 5 plus B is 5 theta. 5 theta plus 3 theta. Then cos of A minus B 5 theta minus 3 theta. That is equal to for cos of 5 theta plus 3 theta 8 theta. Then cos of 5 theta minus 3 theta. Then cos of 2 theta. Now I got right hand side, left hand side answer. What is the left hand side is given? Cos 8 theta into cos 2 theta. So right hand side also I got same answer. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Question number 18. Show that cos square A plus cos square B minus 2 cos A cos B then cos of A plus B equal to sin square A plus B. Now I am going to take the left hand side question. So at the left hand side question cos square A plus cos square B minus 2 cos A cos B, then cos of A plus B. Now instead of cos square B, I am going to apply the identity. Cos square A plus 1 minus sin square B minus 2 cos A cos B, then cos of A plus B. Next one, I am going to rearrange this one. Cos square A minus sin square B minus 2 cos A cos B, then cos of A plus B, then plus 1. We know that formula cos square A minus sin square B equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, then minus 2 cos A cos B cos of A plus B plus 1. Here if you are checking this to 1, you will get common factor. What is the common factor? Cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B. If I take cos of A plus B outside, so remaining terms will come inside. Cos of A minus B, then minus 2 cos A cos B plus 1. Now it is in the form of cos of A minus B. This one as it is I am writing cos of A plus B. Then what is cos A? Cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then minus 2 cos A cos B plus 1. So next step, cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus 2 cos A cos B, that is equal to for minus. So here first I am writing sin A sin B minus cos A cos B plus 1. If I take minus outside, I will get cos of A plus B cos of A cos B, then minus sin A sin B. Here now I am getting cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We know that formula cos of A plus B minus cos of A plus B into cos of A plus B, then plus 1. Cos A into cos A, we know that one cos square of A plus B plus 1. Here now I am arranging that one. 1 minus cos square of A plus B. We know that formula 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Here theta represents A plus B. Therefore 1 minus cos square of A plus B, that is equal to for sin square of A plus B. Now I proved in whatever is given in right hand side. So what is the right hand side? RHS. Right hand side is equal to sin square of A plus B. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side.